Cutting and properly stripping thermostat wires before reconnecting ensures reliable control signals and prevents intermittent faults from oxidized or damaged conductors. Always cut back to bright copper. Trim each conductor past any corrosion or nicks, so you work with fresh metal that makes solid contact in screw or push terminals. Strip only the necessary length for the specific terminal type, typically about 3/8 of an inch. So no excess conductor is exposed to short against the backplate or other wires. Use a quality insulated wire stripper sized for thermostat conductors to avoid nicking the copper, and rotate the stripper once to score insulation before pulling it off to preserve conductor integrity. If you see green or dark oxidation, cut farther back until the copper is lustrous. Then twist any stranded conductors lightly so they present as a tight bundle, and consider crimping a factory-rated insulated ferrule for screw terminals. Never reuse a previously damaged or excessively kinked section of wire. Run a new length or pull the conductor through with a stiff retriever so strain is not on the terminal. After seating the conductor, tug gently to confirm a secure mechanical connection and tighten screws to the manufacturer recommended torque. Over-torquing will cut strands. Under-torquing causes arcing and heat. Finish with a short piece of heat shrink tubing or a dab of approved electrical tape over exposed insulation transitions and route wires with a strain relief loop so vibration or thermostat removal does not stress the fresh. Termination. One of the top 3 common mistakes is reusing corroded or oxidized thermostat wires, which causes intermittent connectivity and erratic control signals. Fix this by cutting back to shiny copper and making a fresh termination. One of the other frequent errors is nicking the conductor while stripping, which weakens strands and leads to breakage. Correct this by using the proper sized wire stripper and scoring before pulling insulation. One of the remaining mistakes is leaving excess exposed conductor that can short to other wires or the metal backplate. Remedy that by stripping only the terminal required length and using ferrules or heat shrink to insulate transitions. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted HVAC technicians and electricians who perform professional thermostat replacements and clean terminations, helping homeowners find trusted local contractors for reliable installations. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com to showcase credentials and get leads from homeowners seeking proper, code-compliant thermostat work.